Welcome to our YouTube channel, me Madan. Today I'm going to show you how to convert PDF file to Word file without any software, without any online tools or without any other software. By using Microsoft Word, how can we convert PDF file to Word file? Please do not forget to like, subscribe and share my channel. Let's start now. First of all, I have one PDF file here. That's a tally. I have a note of tally. This one you can see here, the tally note. This is in a PDF file format. Now this one is PDF. Now I want to open this one file or convert this one file to the Word. First of all, open Microsoft Word and then Microsoft Word is opening. After opening Microsoft Word, just click on File, go to the Open and then Browse. Now choose your proper location. Where is your PDF file you want to convert? Word file. My file is in desktop. Now desktop and then select the tally file and then open. Wait for a while. Just click on OK. After a while, the PDF file will be come here. Now you can see here the PDF file is came here. Now you can change the file or you can delete the file like this, and you can modify this one. Thank you very much for watching. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.